Hi, my name is Sarah Poche-Madsen, and I just want to do a quick run through of my productivity app. I would name it Seize the Day. You can see your day, and that's my main thing. So I recently got an Apple Watch, and I love it because I can see. I mainly use it for the exercising feature, but I love it. It's easy to see. If you have an Apple Watch, you know what I'm talking about, but I like to close my rings every day. So there's 3 rings that they kind of track you with. So I knew I wanted to incorporate something like that into my design. So here it is. On here I have 62%. So this would start out at 0 at the beginning of the day, and as you do your goals and add them in here, you could see this percentage going up. And here it kind of easily tells you I have 5 goals set, 2 were completed, and 3 are not yet finished. And then you could go down and there's the bar graph showing, oh, I've exercised 25 out of my 60 minutes and so forth. So one thing that user testing really helped me with is to add features that I just totally forgot. So one of them, the main huge thing, is this adding to your increments to your goals. So I totally forgot to add a screen like that, but here it is. So you would go and you could choose which goal you had, how much increment you needed to add. So drink water, it would just be maybe 1 or whatever, but then you would go to add and it would take you back to this page and show you your percentage would go up, and your percentage on the daily percentage, but also down here on drink water would go up also. So there's different things there you can navigate through. The hamburger icon, so if you wanted to go to your goals, there we go. I wasn't sure what I was marking, but here's different categories you could choose. The teacher suggested adding one, and I should have put it up higher, but I do have kind of like one down here that would be like add your own goal category. But so you could click on any of these that you wanted to do. I set it up, the only one that you could really click on here is the fitness one. So once you get here, you could, what's your goal? So you can type in what it is, how often you want to track. And obviously if you put run, it wouldn't be times per day, but there's a drop down menu, so you could put 60 minutes or whatever, and then which days do you want to track on, and so you would just click these. So Sundays selected, but you could just click on these and do that. And then there is a create goals button down here, you just can't see it, so it's there. Once you do that, you can go, here is all your goals, and then if you ever wanted to edit them, you could go here and click on this. It would take you to a screen to edit your goals. One thing that I really like about my Apple Watch is that you can share. So I haven't totally set that up, but here's kind of how you would invite people to share. So I think my app is the perfect solution because the color scheme is really good. It's easy to look at, and then also it's just very visual. Like I said, that was my main purpose. I really like I said, the Apple Watch and how it's very visual, and so I feel like the home screen is super visual. You can see what you need to do and what you have already accomplished for the day. Thanks for watching.